Kashmir Dal Lake, my reference photo. At first, see the solution to simplify the values, the dark reflection and the light part of the painting, and this is my painting. And how I keep the painting simplify, I have to tell that for the beginners, and how to create the simplification of the painting. So hello guys, I am Jayanta from India, and welcome to my art channel. Simplify the values. Values are the dark and lights in an image. To see the better, try half crossing your eyes. The reduce the amount of information your eyes can't detect, largely the color, leaving you with more of a black and white image. And now I am painting the first wash. First wash you have to do lightly, the light part of the painting. What I am doing now, and where to the keep for highlights. And then you have to simplify the shapes. It's such a great question to ask, don't you think? Look at your reference photo. What is really important? What can I let go of? How much is enough? You have to think and realize it's depend on your eyes and your thinking. Just my opinion, take the main shape of the reference photo in your painting and try to choose the identity of the painting. Here the mountain, the houses and the boat was the main identity of your reference photo, and the shape of the buildings there, and I have to keep that in my painting. That's all. And then I have to the reflection of the mountain on the water. You saw how the reflection looks like in the dark value. I have to keep the same as the dark value I saw. That's all how you can simplify your painting. Maybe it's helpful for beginners. Just light and shadows make your painting bright and a realistic look. Here I am doing the light and shadows. This is my second wash of the painting. You have to do the shadows part in your second layer. First layer all about light, and second layer all about shadows. And after two wash you can go for details work. Details means the windows of houses and the man, the boat, detailing of the boat. That's. And now I am painting the reflection of the houses, the dark portions, and I leave the paper white, the light portion, the light of the reflection there. You saw the values in the reference photo when I do it in black and white. So beginners. Hope you will enjoy it, and please watch the full video. Hope it will be more interesting. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and get more watercolor, acrylic and oil painting tutorial and my all video about for beginners. Thank you and keep watching my video. For watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.